Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. I hope you all are doing well. This is Azam with Investify, and today I want to discuss with you guys what is happening in the cryptocurrencies market, specifically with the prices of Bitcoin. So, as you can see, Bitcoin has dropped over 30% in just the past few days from its high of 19,800. It's dropped. Now, there are a few factors for why that happens. The first one is that we started to see that the price was starting to hover around 19.8 for the last few days, and then Bitcoin Cash was launched, all right? And once that was launched on Coinbase, there was issues with clogging up the network. The miner fees were ridiculously high. We were seeing those kind of information come up on any wallet or exchange that you were using. So the thing becomes that starts to impact the trading as well. Once the volume starts to slow down, sometimes the price drops, right? So those are a couple of the things. That one, the Bitcoin Cash price started to rise and people started to invest less into Bitcoin. Right. Secondly, the network fees were so high that people were just like, you know what, screw this. We're going to wait for a while and then come back to this. The third thing is, from a technical charting analysis standpoint, as someone that has traded Forex, options, stocks, futures, penny stocks, all right, and now cryptocurrencies, the one thing that I have seen that happens in market time and time again is that whenever there is a parabolic move, whether it's towards the upside, just like we see here in Bitcoin, or towards the downside, there comes a point where there is a pause, where there's a break from that trend, where if it goes on the upside, there comes a drop, there is a correction. And the market needs that, right? Usually there are market makers that are making these plays where they want the price to drop so they can buy more at a lower pricing and give it some time before it starts to move back up into that trend. And if you just look at Bitcoin, in just the past year, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these kind of moves in just 1 year, that it moves down 30% or 10% and then boom, it goes up by 40%. It moves down by 30%, then it's up by 150%, right? We all saw those kind of moves. And that's the thing that you're seeing right now. So the one advice that I give to people is don't panic. If anything, hold on to what you have, or you can just cash out of your position and wait for the drop to happen even more. And once the dust settles, it might be in just a few days, get back into this, because right now there's great opportunities being created as we speak. The lower these prices drop, Bitcoin is here to stay. Ethereum is here to stay. Litecoin is here to stay. So look at this as, in my opinion, an early Christmas sale, an opportunity to perhaps wait for it, be patient. One of the things that I repeatedly tell people is, don't just invest in this technology, understand it, why you are investing in it. Not because of the highs, but perhaps for the belief in this. For me, I personally believe in this technology, and I am looking for a long-term investment in this instead of just a short-term gain of 50%, 100%, 200%, right? So that's the thing, guys. Like, these things happen. You know, the network fees are also really high. Give it a few days, relax, breathe. Don't let this consume your life. And the other very important advice that I would give is, if you're investing in the crypto markets, it's highly volatile. It doesn't even need leverage like other markets do, such as Forex and futures or options. So they're already so volatile moves. So this is something that's fine. This would be a 2% drop in the stock market, which happens all the time in stock prices, as compared to 40% now in Bitcoin. It's just the same concept. So keep that in mind, right? take a long-term approach on whatever you are going to be investing in. Wait for it, believe in these technologies, study those, and be patient, because that's where you're going to make the most money, is in the long term, not in short term. So if you have any questions, guys, check us out at investify.com/Bitcoin. We have a free email course that we will send you to get started with how to open your first wallet, how to start trading on the exchanges, how to secure your investments. All right, have a great weekend, guys, and take care. Assalamu alaikum.